then 6 months go by, and then you know what you do? You beat yourself up for not being successful. And then you're like, man, I'm trying all these things and none of them are working. What do you mean? None of, I mean, you're acting confused as if you thought they were going to work. No, there's 0% chance of that working. Success leaves clues and failure leaves clues. You're literally choosing the path of failure and hoping that you defy the odds. You got better odds of winning the lottery. Or success leaves clues. Success says, focus on one thing, become great at it, make it work, and then try a second thing and see if you're able to do it. And if you're not, go back to the one thing. You tried, you experimented, you got it out of your system, it wasn't working, go back to the one thing. But if you can manage a second thing and make that successful, only then would you even consider a third thing. And you go on and on and on like that. And you do it in that order. So the Internet Income System and Atlas has provided a solution for you to actually do that. We provided a cure for the dis-ease called shiny object syndrome, right? We've got that solution for you. So think about this. You literally have a house of opportunity. You're the club owner. You sell the keys to the house. You sell the card to get entry to the house. And that's it.